So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision series, where there are just this one question to answer on the topic political processes. So guys, this video will be about political participation and political culture. So in short, stay till the end of this lesson as it's a very important one. So, and a very short one for that too. So we'll go ahead and start with this question. It says, an election in which citizens are called upon to vote for or against a specified issue is called A. We have A, mandate; B, by-election; C, referendum; D, runoff election. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. That's a referendum. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.